With portable ham radio operations, organization is something I know we all struggle with. Like you, I'm always looking for the best way to carry all my gear. The challenge, though, is all of the random pieces. Things like cords, cables, adapters, and all that miscellaneous stuff you don't know you need until you need it. With that said, I'm always on the lookout for the best solution, and currently my choice is the Maxpedition Beefy Organizer. Unlike pouches or cases, the Beefy Organizer unzips to a full clamshell, and the hefty main compartment contains 15 elastic dividers and 2 large pockets, one of them zippered. I can carry all of those small parts and cables that I need for my FT891 transceiver in this one case, and it easily slips inside a larger bag or can be attached to the outside with its abundant amount of exterior webbing. Well, thank you to Maxpedition for sending me a Beefy Pocket Organizer to test and review. Links to the Beefy Organizer can be found in the video description below. With all of my videos, my opinions are my own, without any outside influence. So let's head inside. We're going to open up this Maxpedition Beefy, and I'll show you what I carry into the field for portable ham radio operation. This is the Maxpedition Beefy Organizer. This is part of their Legacy series. And we're going to take a look at this organizer, see what kinds of things you can put inside it, and also compare it to my smaller mini organizer. I've had this mini organizer for many years. It lives in my vehicle, and what I like about it, the mini, is that it carries just the essentials I need inside my car. Extra pens and pencils, which I seem to be a little bit light on right now. Notebook, pocket knife, flashlight, and a mini screwdriver. Plus, it looks like there's some Band-Aids in there too. So this is a really handy tool to keep things organized in my car, and that's what its prime place is. So with the Beefy here, this is much bigger. It is 8 inches high by 6 inches wide by 2.5 inches thick. We've got it fully loaded, so you can kind of see, how big it is here. Made out of 1050 denier nylon, genuine YKK zippers. YKK, they're the best, when it comes to zippers. Heavy duty carrying handle. They got the molly straps on the back, just like the Mini does. On the front side, we've got the pocket with the mesh pocket, same here, and then a place with Velcro, so you could attach something that's got hook and loop fasteners on the back side. Volume is 116 cubic inches or 1.9 liters, and also this comes in black, olive drab, khaki, foliage green, and wolf gray. This is black. This is the wolf gray. I like the wolf gray color. So we're gonna open up our Beefy organizer here to see how much stuff we can hold. Now what I'm using the Beefy for today is that it's storing all of the essentials that I need, cables and other accessories for my Yaesu FT891 portable kit. So when I go out in the field, these are all the little accessories and parts and doodads that help make my Parks on the Air activations a success. So we'll just kind of run down through these. We'll go up first on the left side and then on the right side. So I got this thing right here. This is a RJ45 adapter. Or splitter. It's got a male RJ45 on end, and then it splits 2 simultaneous signals, so you can hook up your hand mic, 2 hand mics in here, instead of passing the microphone. Just use this splitter for group activations, group park activations. These little webbing slots here is perfect for storing cables like USB cables, pens, pencils, you can get mini flashlight in here. There's a D-ring for keys and other things. There's also another little loop that you can use to attach things. And there's a pocket right here. And in this pocket, I've got my little notebook. Always carry pen and paper in the field if my computer goes kaput on me, I've got paper, so I can always log by hand with my little notebook. On the other side here, in the center, nice big spot elastic organizer here. This is my digi-rig that I use for the digital modes on the FT891. It's got the DIN connector on one end, the USB on the other end, and hook that up for digital operation. Now, the one thing that my digi-rig doesn't do, newer models have this feature, is cat control. Mine doesn't have it. So if I wanted to do cat control with my rig, that's what I would have to carry a second cable for. And this is a USB cable with the USB-A on one end, USB-B on the other end. This would be for if I needed cat control in my transceiver. Microphone, the hand mic, a lot of times I'm using my headset, so the hand mic kind of lives here in this very large elastic slot. And then there's two other elastic slots here too, so you can put more stuff on top of these, the larger items. And then this is a auxiliary, or my second power cable. I usually carry a couple power cables with me. One of them I think is in the car. This one I keep in the organizer. This one's about 3 feet long. Power poles on both ends for connecting the transceiver to the battery. And then here on the side here is a zippered pocket, so we can hold more stuff. And I carry things like extra fuses. I always have plenty of extra fuses in different sizes for whatever type of electric devices you have. So if you blow a fuse, you can fix it quickly. I've got some bongo ties in here. These little rubber ties come in super handy. I love those things. This little device here, power pole connectors on the one side, Wagyu connectors on the others. You can make this yourself. If you ever have one of these cables, if you ever have the connector break on you or burn up or something like that, you can replace it quickly in the field. You can field strip a power cord if you need to get in, get power for your transceiver. So these are really handy little devices. I got a couple pair of those. They've saved my bacon a couple of times. What else is in here? Some accessory adapters. These are little barrel adapters. Sometimes I have BNC to SO2 or BNC to PL259 adapters in here too. Whatever adapters you need to either extend some coax or to adapt coax for your radio, keep them in there. And then finally, this is just a tiny USB module that I carry. If I need to reset the clock on my computer and I can't get a cell signal to tether and set it via the cellular network, I can plug this GPS module. It'll lock, and whatever time setting software I'm using will read that signal, and it can set my clock for me. So that's basically it. Pens and pencils also on the front here. You got a lot of room here for organization with the Maxpedition Beefy Organizer. So these are available Maxpedition.com. You can always find them online. Other places too, such as Amazon or your favorite online or in-person retailer. So check it out. Thank you, Maxpedition, for sending me this. Greatly appreciated for the opportunity to do a review. What would you put in your Maxpedition Beefy Organizer? I'd love to hear your ideas. Leave them down in the comments down below. What kinds of things that you'd store in an organizer like this. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm Michael, KB9VBR. You have a great day, and 7-3.